Topic: Multiplication of decimals. Objective: to represent the following products of decimal numbers on a square by drawing horizontal and vertical lines and shading. 0.3 by 0.7, 0.5 by 0.5. To understand the multiplication of decimals by activity method. Previous knowledge required. Concept of fractions. Concept of reading and writing decimals. Concept and construction of square and rectangle. Materials required. White chart papers or square ruled papers. Geometry box. Pens of different colors. Preparation for the activity. Make 3 10 by 10 grids, network of horizontal and vertical lines, one each on 3 ruled sheets. Mark each grid as A, B, C, D. Let us find product of 0.3 and 0.7. Presentation. On the first grid, we shade 3 strips out of 10 with pen of red color. The red portion represents 0.3, first 3 vertical strips from LHS. On the second grid, we shade 7 strips out of 10 with pen of black color. The black portion represents 0.7, first 7 horizontal strips from bottom. On the third grid, shade the portion as in grid first and second in respective colors. Then, double shaded portion represents 21 squares out of 100 squares of ABCD, that is 21 by 100 is equal to 0.21. Note: we can also multiply decimals by converting them into fractions. Then, the resultant product is again converted into decimal. From the above activity, we observe that we can find product of 2 decimals as follows. First, we ignore the decimal points and multiply them as whole numbers. Then, we find the sum of number of decimal places in the given numbers. Then, we insert the decimal point in the product by counting as many places from right to left as the sum of number of decimal places of the given decimals. Question: represent 0.5 by 0.5 on grid paper. Hint: take 5 horizontal strips and 5 vertical strips. Common shaded portion represents 0.25.